So this job we are replacing a Stuart Turner pump. This pump's been in here for over 20 years. Over 20 years. Brilliant pump, good company. This is one of the reasons why we always advise to buy quality. It doesn't look very good, it looks a bit knackered now, but you can imagine running hot and cold water for over 20 years. It's going to be like that. Imagine how you would look. So we're going to be taking this out today, running a new cable for it, testing it. Let's see how we get on. You can see down here it looks a little bit like spaghetti junction, but nonetheless, no job too big, no job too small. Let's go. And here you go, this is the new pump. So at first, as remember what we said, it was over 20 years old, so we had to replace this valve here. We like the lever arm valves. They're very easy to operate and they are less likely to foul for us. So in this operation, we like to use these lever arm valves. And here's the new pump, new Stuart Turner. As I said, it's amongst all the other little bits and pieces. Ideally, it'd be nice to tidy up this whole air cupboard, but, it's at a cost. So the customer was happy, job done.